This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel mail merge. First, organize your data in an Excel spreadsheet, making sure each column has a distinct header like first name or address. This structured approach is crucial for a smooth merge process. Double-check for any blank cells or inconsistencies, as these can cause issues later. Saving your file in a straightforward location, perhaps your desktop, will make it easy to find when you begin the merge. Now, let's move to Microsoft Word. Open a new or existing document and click on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. From there, select Start Mail Merge and pick the document type that suits your needs, such as letters, emails, or labels. The next critical step is to connect your Word document to your Excel data source. This establishes the link that allows Word to pull information directly from your spreadsheet. With your data source connected, you can now insert the merge fields into your Word document. Position your cursor exactly where you want a piece of information to appear, for example, the recipient's name. Then, click Insert Merge Field and select the corresponding header from your Excel file, like first name. Repeat this for all necessary fields, ensuring a clear and professional layout for your final document. Before finalizing, always preview your results. Click Preview Results to see how each individual document will look with the actual data. This step is vital for catching any errors in formatting or field placement. Once you are satisfied, click Finish and Merge. You can then choose to print the documents, send them as email messages, or edit individual documents for further customization. This ensures a perfect outcome every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.